Welcome to Discover Talent. Today, let's learn Excel for beginners. Excel is a powerful and widely used tool for organizing, managing, and analyzing data. It is used by students, professionals, and businesses around the world, and learning Excel is a valuable skill for anyone. This course is designed especially for beginners, so no prior experience is required. We start from the basics to help you feel comfortable and confident while using Excel. You will learn how to navigate the Excel interface, understand rows, columns, and cells, and enter simple data easily. You will also learn how to manage your work, save your files correctly, and close Excel properly. These basic skills are important for working efficiently and avoiding mistakes. This introduction helps you build a strong foundation for your Excel journey. From the next modules onward, you will hear my actual voice, and the training will be fully practical, with real demonstrations inside Excel, explained step by step. To get the best results from this course, make sure you watch all the modules carefully. After completing the lessons, attend the quiz to check your understanding. Once you successfully complete the course and the quiz, you'll be eligible to receive your certification from Discover Talent. Practice regularly, stay consistent, and follow along with the lessons. Let's get started, and welcome once again to Discover Talent.